We have received fire call at about 12:10, between 12:10 to 12:15. There was a fire call in the third floor and on the top of the third floor. They have placed cylinders for the restaurant use. The cylinders got catch fire and now investigations going on. We put up the fire completely. There is a one gentleman from the restaurant. He jumped from the restaurant. Now we rescued the gentleman. We are giving a proper treatment to the gentleman. He is in the hospital. The officer have been deployed to him for his treatment.
So how many of them were there during this incident, sir? And how many of them managed to escape also?
No, there is a one training center is running here, and we don't know how many of them were in the training center, but none of them in the training center. We have called the owner of the training center. We are discussing, and restaurant owner, we called the restaurant owner to give a lot of information to us to understand the fabrication of the restaurant, the architecture of the restaurant, and the kitchen and the placement of the cylinders, etc. It will take time to understand the entire thing. By evening, by 5 o'clock, we are in the position to understand the exact reason for the fire. But right now, after my investigation, the first and preliminary investigation reveals that there is a fire in the cylinder. The cylinder got fire, it was burst.
How many cylinders?
I think 4 or 5 cylinders, more than 4 or 5 we have to count, because the cylinder exploded and it was torn into pieces. So it was scattered from all over the places, and also some of the cylinders, due to the fire, it was thrown out from the top floor to the ground floor.
So any negligence you found on the part of the hotel owner, sir?
It will take time to understand that after the investigation only we will in the position to
Sir,
explain.
how many injured, sir? How many injured?
Only one person right now is injured. We are admitted to the hospital.
So what caused the leakage, sir? The cylinder?
That has to understand. The expert has to be called for, and we, the fire department, we done our perfect duty. So 8 fire tenders have been called for, and all officers here in and around the zone, they are assembled here, and they are doing their excellent duty. I appreciate all my officers. They have done extremely good work. We have put up the fire, and again I am searching for each and every corner of this building. So we requested the owners to take away all the properties inside. There are a lot of electronic gadgets are there, and hardware, software equipments are there. So we cannot leave this place until to search all the places. Therefore, we requested the owners to take away all the properties.